I would like to show you how to install this flush fin onto this Marvin Essential window. In this kit, you're going to receive a set of flush fin, these corner keys, 50 lineal feet of frame kerf weather stripping, corner key screws, flush fin screws, and a set of installation instructions. So let's get started. We'll start by using a hacksaw to cut in an angle all four corners of the window to allow room for the flush fin to fit. Now carefully remove any debris in the corners that may have been caused by the saw. Now I would recommend getting a piece of wood and cutting it to fit underneath the flush fin. If you don't have a block of wood underneath the flush fin, it will not sit well on the chop saw. Now let's go ahead and make your first miter cut in a 45-degree angle. With the end of the flush fin that was just cut, now line it up with the frame miter so the frame corner matches up with the flush fin. Now with that lined up, take a speed square and line it up with the other end of the frame miter. Once you have that lined up perfectly, take a pencil and mark the flush fin and cut the other end to fit. Make sure the piece that you just cut fits well and then mark the other side and repeat the process on all four corners. Now measure each corner of the miter edge so you can pre-drill for the corner keys. Marvin's installation instructions show to measure down 1 3/8 inches from the edge and 1/4 inch from the back side, but it's been my experience that I have to mark it at approximately 1 1/4 inches to get the hole to line up with the corner key properly. You want this hole on the edge to line up with this hole on the corner key. The next step is to use some kind of rotary tool to remove the 3 inside walls approximately 3/4 inch in depth. I like using this Dremel tool with this rotary bit to clean out this material. Now that you have the 3 inner walls removed, test fit the corner key to make sure it fits. You want to make sure that the corner key corner lines up with the corner of the flush fin. The next step is to drill a 1/2 hole on the back side of the flush fin, 5/16 inch from the corner and 1/4 inch half diameter. This is so you can inject silicone in the corner keys to prevent water intrusion. I'm showing you this step because it's in the instructions, but further in the video I will show you a much easier way in my opinion why you may want to do it my way. Now take the frame kerf weather stripping and use a screen roller or putty knife to push this in the accessory kerf around the entire perimeter of the window. Be mindful of using a screen roller that does not fit inside of this kerf. You can break the edge of the window while installing it. Insert the corner keys on all of the cut flush fin parts and dry fit it onto the window. Install all of the corner key screws on all 4 corners of the window. Remove the flush fin frame and put a good quality sealant in all 4 corners of the flush fin frame. Now install the frame on the face of the window. You do not have to flip the window over, but I am doing this for demonstration purposes only. Pre-drill 2 inches down from each corner and fasten the frame with the number 8 by 5/8 inch Phillips screws. And be careful not to strip out the screws. After you secure all 4 corners of the window, pre-drill a hole approximately every 6 to 8 inches and secure it with a screw. Take some masking tape and seal the face on all 4 corners. Earlier in the video when I told you to skip a step, this is what I recommend. Just take a Dremel tool and put a small hole in all 4 corners, just big enough for the tip of a silicone tube to fit into. Take the tip of a good quality sealant and inject it into the hole in the corner with a generous amount of silicone. Be sure that you fill up the whole corner key. After you fill up the corner key, be sure to go around the perimeter between the frame and the flush fin. Now you can remove the masking tape and clean up all of the excess silicone with some alcohol and water mixed. Paper towels work well for this task.